what is a watt? A watt is a unit of power. And how do you calculate it? Let's go back to the conversation about batteries. So I have 3 packs over here. This one is a 72 volt capable of 100 amps. So 72 times 100, that's around 7,000 watts of power. This one is also 72 volt. This one is also a 72 volt as configured. But these two can generate upwards of 10 kilowatts just by the battery chemistry that is inside the individual cells. To calculate power, we start with energy, and to start with energy, we start with mass. So 1 kilogram is about 10 newtons. This is 100 grams, so this is 1 newton. Should I move this 1 newton up 1 meter, that is 1 joule of energy. So if I take energy over the amount of time that I move from this position to that, which is say 1 second, that is 1 watt. So today I'm going to be trying to do something sketchy. So these 2 battery packs are capable of at least 10 kilowatts of discharge, but they are only 0.8 kilowatt hours. Now, if that means nothing to you, kilowatts is power, kilowatt hours is capacity. And this is another battery pack. You can see we are currently at 77 volts. It's a 72 volt 30 amp hour battery pack. So that means it's capable of comfortably producing around 2200 watts. So that's 2.2 kilowatts, right? All right, so I have a strange connection over here. So this is an AC cordless, they say it's a cordless water kettle rated for 2200 watts as well. But what people usually don't know is that the element that usually heats the water, that's one inside there, can work on DC power as well. So this is DC power, direct current power, and that is AC power. So how do we demonstrate this? So this battery is capable of doing 2200, this kettle is 2200. If I just place it over there and turn it on, you will see in a couple of seconds, there's a light that usually comes on here, but you will see in a couple of seconds that the water will already heat up, will start heating up. As you can see, I'm comfortably putting my fingers inside. In a few minutes, that water will be boiling. So let me show you the voltage. It's at 76 volts. And I'm not trying to trick you. This is actually the entire connection. Now the battery is at 69. Still at 69%. A few minutes later, oof, we have boiling water.